Chris here, and today we're going to be teaching you guys on how to add custom vehicles to your FIVEM server. It's going to be a quick and easy process. It's going to be a little bit of a shorter video, but all you're going to need for this video is a way to access your files, like FileZilla, File Explorer, anything built into your software, and you're going to need a file editor just to edit your server.cfg and your add-on .json with your Vmenu. And then we're also going to be needing our web browser with txadmin and the vehicle that you want to download. And I also strongly suggest getting WinRAR or some other zip file software because it makes your life so much easier as a developer. But let's jump right into it. Let's open up our web browser. Now go to wherever you want to download your vehicle. If you get it from FiveMods, make sure it does say FiveM. If it says add-on, I would leave it alone, but if it says /FiveM, you can do it. But add-on is a whole different video. It's a whole different topic. It's just harder to do, and I just normally stay away from it. But without further ado, let's click download. Let's click the second download. Now that's downloading, we open that up. We can minimize out of our web browser for now. And then let's open up the folder to find our vehicle. Okay, now that we found our vehicle stuff, sometimes the metas are in its own data folder, but they don't necessarily need to be in a data folder. But what does need to be in a folder is the YFT, YTD, and the other YFT. They need to be in the stream folder, as well as any extras, stuff like that. It's just the way that things are written in code. And then you're also going to need a resource.lua or an FX manifest. If you have all that, you can back out and then drag that folder onto your desktop, and then we can close that, drag this over to where you can see it, open up your FileZilla or File Explorer, whatever you use, go to resources, drag it in, or put it wherever you want to put it that keeps you organized. While that's downloading, let's open up the one on our desktop. Let's open up Stream. Let's copy this, and this just so happens to be the same name as the folder, but we'll get into that later. Now let's go to wherever our Vmenu is. Let's open up our Vmenu. Now that you're in your Vmenu, open up config, go to addons.json and open that up. So this is what you should see, or something similar. Just press enter. Should already be tabbed out. Press the quotations, Control V, that spawn code that you just copied in, press another quotations, and then write a comma. And then you can either hold down Control and press S, or you can go up here to File and press Save. Now you can exit out of that. Press yes if you're using FileZilla. Then you can back out all the way till you see your server.cfg. So open into that. And then scroll down to wherever you want to put your ensure. And then type in ensure or start. They both work. I use ensure here. It's just a preference. There's no really rhyme or reason to use one or the other. They do the exact same thing. It's just preference based on the user. But I'm going to use ensure for the purpose of this video because that's what everything else is. So write ensure, write a space, and then go to the folder, copy the name of the folder, and then paste it in right there. Then you can either hold down Control and press S, or go to File, Save, and then you can exit out of that. Press yes if you're on FileZilla. You can close out of your FileZilla. Then you go to your txadmin. Then let's restart our server. And while that's restarting, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will be doing me greatly, and it will also be showing people this video, which a lot of people have been asking about, how to install stuff, how to add cars, custom cars, stuff like that. So I want to get this video out to you guys, and I want to get it out to more people. And if you subscribe and like the video, you'll get it out to more people. And now we go to our resources, and then let's look it up. I still have it copied, or you can type it out, but I'm just going to do Control V. If it says start, something went wrong. It could be just simple by missing it, or something's not named correctly. But if it doesn't say start, just press start. If that doesn't work, then go back through the files, watch the video, or join my Discord, which is going to be down in the description. And I will be glad to help you. But ours does not say start. We're all good. Now we can minimize out of that. Open up your FIVEM server. Join your server. Now that you're in the FIVEM server, press the key to open up your Vmenu. Go to vehicle related options. Go to vehicle options. Sorry, not vehicle options. Go to vehicle spawner, and then go to add-on vehicles. It may be in anything depending on what you picked your vehicle to be. But if you pick the same vehicle as me, it should be under SUVs. And then I only have one SUV currently in, so just press spawn on that car, and it works. If it does not show up in your Vmenu, then you can always do spawn vehicle by model name, enter it that way, but it shows up for me, so I don't need to do that. It's working just fine. If you have any other issues, join the Discord. And without further ado, have a safe patrol. See ya.